Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you guys how I came up with a more sturdier approach to like a photo backdrop or a video backdrop or whatever you want to call it. I don't know the official name for it, but when I do my film, like my formulating videos, I want a better aesthetically eye-pleasing background than the one that I've been using before. And I tried the poster board, the foam poster board from Walmart, and those are not sturdy. They don't last long. Even if I put contact paper over them, it still kind of stains it, especially since I'm working with a bunch of oils and stuff, so it don't really last. So like, I was just walking around Walmart looking for ideas, and then I came across a picture frame owl. Boom, magic, money, gold. And I'm about to show y'all how to do it right now. It has its pros and cons like anything else in this world, but I ain't gonna talk y'all ears off too much. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video so y'all can see. Hey y'all, so for this video you will need a couple of picture frames, the format picture frames, that's what they're labeled as in Walmart. I'm going to use the 12 by 18, but by any means use whatever dimension size that you want or need for whatever reason you're using it for. And then you're going to head over to the kitchen area where they got the dish towels and rags, and you're going to grab the contact liners. I'm in Walmart, by the way, and all Walmarts are usually pretty much set up the same. So yeah, go in that area. You should find some adhesive contact paper. And the other thing that I already had at the house is a box cutter. You will need a box cutter or a pair of scissors. Will do. Just be careful with the scissors. Before you do anything, you would want to clean your area that you're working on with off and make sure it's free from debris or any crumbs that may be in your work area, or the contact paper won't apply smoothly. Okay, so I'm going to pop the frame out, and it comes with two pieces of paper on it, the display paper, and it's the paper behind that, which is white, and I'm going to be using that one because sometimes contact paper is a little see-through, and I don't want to have to double the process to make sure it's transparent. I'm going to line up the paper and make sure it's a little bit excess at the bottom to have wiggle room in case you make a mistake. I'm going to just let the video do the talking right now. And if you guys don't want to use contact paper, you could be creative. You could use construction paper, but if you do decide to use anything else, I suggest you keep the little frame thingy that I'm using to stick the contact paper on. I suggest you keep that for size reference. The possibilities are honestly endless. You could use glitter and Mod Podge to seal it in. You could use that. You could use maybe fabric. As long as it's thin enough to fit between the glass and the frame, then you should be good to go and use it if you want. Because I know with contact paper, the designs are pretty limited. Yeah, and by the way, if you care about your table or the workspace you are working on, then put something underneath this or tread lightly and don't put too much pressure on the box cutter or you will scratch your table up. I don't care about this table and I just don't care about it anymore, so I'm not taking any of those precautions. And since the frames are so cheap, you could honestly probably have a couple staple background patterns if you would like. But for me personally, I'm just going to stick with like a marble theme and a rustic wood theme because I'm pretty lazy and I'm lazy. You could honestly even maybe flip your marble one over and make it like a double-sided pattern if you perfectly cut it so you won't have to put the access to the back. But to save money, you could honestly do that and make them double-sided. All right, y'all, I decided to put my quote unquote mistake in the video as well, so you guys could probably see what I'm talking about. But I thought about painting it so it could be even whiter, and I was going to turn the painted side on the inside of the frame. So yeah, you get what I'm trying to say. But the paint streaks were there and I did not like that. If you're going for a more textured look, then go ahead and go for it. But this is not the look I wanted or was going for, so I had to buy a whole new frame, which I don't mind. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys a heads up if you guys decide to paint it. And to switch it out, I just easily took the white paper out the white contact paper out that I had, and I put it in the new frame. And the new frame came with a black background paper. So yeah, I went to a different Walmart. They're the same exact product, but that one came with a black frame, and I don't know why. Walmart inconsistent, I guess. And in this clip, I tried to use command strips so they could stick together while I'm filming, because I didn't want to glue them together and make them permanent, because I may want to switch it out a few times. And I know I'm going to be in between a rustic theme or a marble theme. So I didn't want to glue it, but I may have to. But you could definitely glue them together if you have the storage space. I'm very tight on space, so I chose not to, but I may change my mind and find somewhere to store it. This is the result. I'm going to use it for maybe my product imagery, and I'm definitely going to use them to film my formulation videos. But hopefully this video is helpful for someone. I know it was helpful for me. You guys may want to tweak with it a little bit more to see how you want it to stand up if you're trying to save up on space like me. By any means, if not, then go ahead and glue it together. But thank you guys for coming to my channel. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have suggestions, put them in the comments down below. And I will see you guys in the next one.